All right, second grade, we are going to practice some of our spelling words that we had today by categorizing them either as nouns or adjectives. So let's review. A noun is a what? Good. A noun is a person or a place or a thing. All right. And an adjective does what to a noun? Good. It describes it. It answers questions like whose, how many, what kind, which one. Those are our adjective questions. So if it describes a noun, it's going to be an adjective. All right, let's start with the word family. Class, is family a noun or an adjective? I want us to think first. I would start with noun and ask, is it a person, a place, or a thing? Is family a noun? Excellent, it is, right? Because a family is made up of people. All right, so family is a noun. So I want you to make these two columns on your paper. All right, so we'll write family in the nouns column. Before you write it, which E do we use in family? Nice work if you said ya, I-E. All right, write family in this nouns column. All right, class, I'll write it up, but first I need you to tell me which E do I need to use? Oh, good, ya, I-E. Thanks for helping me out so I knew how to spell it. Lee. All right, so until we've mastered the word, we're always going to do the syllables and the markings. Family. All right, our next word is round. The water bottle is round. Round. All right, is round a person, place, or a thing? Or was it describing a thing? Or was it describing a noun? Let's see, we said the water bottle, which we remember is a noun, is round. We're describing a noun. So what part of speech is round, class? Excellent, it is an adjective. So let's go over to the adjectives column and write round. Oh, before you do it, which ow do we use in round? Good, ow, oh, ooh, Write that and say it while you write it. All right, I'll write it up here so you can check your work. But first tell me, what do I need? Which ow do I use in round? Good, ow, oh, ooh, All right, ow, and round. All right, so if you didn't spell that quite right, check it and go ahead and fix it. All right, the next word we're going to put on our chart is the word for, or fower, as we were saying it to spell it. I have 4 cookies. Fower. All right. Is fower a person, a place, or thing, or does it describe a noun? Let's see, let's listen to the sentence. I have 4 cookies. All right, well, I know cookies are a noun because cookies are a thing. Oh, wait a minute. One of my adjective questions was how many? Would fower answer the question how many for my noun cookies? Excellent, it would. So is fower a noun or is it an adjective? Excellent. It is an adjective. Go ahead and write it in your adjectives column. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, class. Which O do I use in forward? Good. Ow, o, oo, Forward. All right. Well, those are all of the words that we had today that were adjectives or nouns. But we had a tricky word. Let's see. I want us to practice two of the other words that I think were a little bit tricky. All right, the first word we just have to practice saying, the two-way pronunciation, and that word is around. How do I say around to spell it? Nice work if you said around. That's how we have to say around to spell it. Say that one more time for me. Good, around. All right, the trickiest word we had today, I think, is because. Class, what's our word? Good, because. All right. Which E do we use in our first syllable in because? Good, we use et-E, and what lets it say E? Excellent, it's an open syllable, right? That first syllable, B. All right, our second syllable is cause. What sounds do you hear in the word cause? Good, it's k, a, z, but this is z. So what are we going to add at the end? Good, silent final E, job 5. And which aw did we use? Good, aw that we do not use at the end of English words. Write those sounds and say them while you write them. All right, class, I want you to check and see if you spelled your word correctly. If you were listening, then you probably would have. The only concern would be if you didn't remember the phonogram. All right. And then the markings would be like this. And then what did we put a hat over before? Good, our aw that we do not use at the end of English words. All right, class. I have two sentences, one everyone should do. One is a challenge sentence. So if you're kind of thinking there's a lot of big words going on and a lot to worry about, you don't need to do it. But if you would like to challenge yourself and try and grow your brain, then feel free to do the challenge sentence. All right, our sentence for everyone is, did it seem hot? Did it seem hot? Did it seem hot? What's your sentence, class? Good. Did it seem hot? Ooh, what kind of sentence is that? Nice job if you said an interrogative sentence. So make sure when you check your end mark that it's the correct kind of end mark. Did it seem hot? All right, our challenge sentence. This is a challenge sentence because it has some two-way words in it and some new words we just learned. Our challenge sentence is, are there four people in your family? Are there 4 people in your family? And now I'll say everything in its two-way pronunciation to help you out. if you'd like to challenge yourself and grow your brain. Are there four people in your family? Oh, what kind of sentence is that? Nice job if you said interrogative sentence. That is an interrogative sentence. Right, so make sure you have the right end mark after you check your sentence. Are there four people in your family? All right, nice work today, class. Have a good day.